Yep, swimming will make you more attractive. In this video, I'll tell you about 5 ways learning to swim will make you irresistible to women. The last one is so bizarre that I cannot believe it anytime my girlfriend mentions it. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Alan, and I help people like you to overcome their fear of water anxiety, and learn to swim. I learned to swim in my 30s after years filled with anxiety towards water. At that time, I was also single and really embarrassed to admit to girls that I cannot swim. Since then, I became a strong swimmer and I found myself a beautiful girlfriend. The reasons I list in this video come both from my personal observations and the things that my girlfriend said along those few years. If you're curious about what they are, let's dive right into this video. So we're going to start with a better body. Although they don't admit it, women tend to like fit men. One of the things I didn't know when I first started swimming was that you can use this discipline to build muscle. So I got good news. If you take up swimming, you can build up muscle. You can build up your upper body, your chest, your shoulders, your bicep, and your back. I did, although I'm not a bodybuilder. As you can see, this bicep is not a bodybuilder's bicep. I feel very proud of my upper body now compared to how skinny I was when I first started learning to swim. I simply had no idea that it is possible to build muscle with swimming only. But after going for many years consistently, almost every day or few times a week, I built it up. So can you. Just look at professional swimmers and their body types and how they look like after many years of swimming often. You can also lose weight and decrease your body fat because swimming is a very calorie intense exercise. Therefore, you'll be burning thousands of calories as long as you go to the water often. In turn, that will make you fitter, more attractive visually, and definitely women will like that. A second reason why women would find you irresistible is more confidence. You probably know that many women find confident men attractive. Better looking body and skills will translate further into other areas of your life and boost your confidence as a man. Another reason why you're going to become irresistible to women is that you're going to be healthier. And women appreciate a healthy man. Swimming, as I said, burns a lot of calories, which in turn it will require you to fuel your body with more nutritious food that will give you the energy that you need in order to swim for a long period of time. Consistent exercise and swimming will improve your sleeping cycle. Therefore, it will make you look better under your eyes and generally feeling more energized. It will simply allow you to recover better because your body will be rested. Taking up swimming will also naturally push you towards making much healthier choices in your life. In my case, that was quitting smoking. Before I was swimming, I was a heavy smoker, smoking 1 packet a day. And as I started swimming, I started doing it less. And without putting too much pressure on myself, I slowly weaned down myself from cigarettes because I wanted to have more capacity for air in my lungs. And I didn't identify with smokers anymore. I wanted to identify myself as a swimmer or a sporty person. And that made me choose something healthier and in return become more attractive. Another reason why women will find you irresistible is that you will be happier. And a happy man is a joy to be around. Your physical activity will result in a release of dopamine, and your blood will be filled with endorphins. Therefore, you will be in this euphoric state, smiling and being joyful more often than you would normally be. It will make you feel more energized and reduce the amount of sadness in your life. And who wants to be around a sad person anyway? I've got a bonus reason why women will find you irresistible when you take up swimming. And that reason is smelling better. Yes, you heard me right, smelling better. Let me explain. Going to the swimming pool often will encourage you to have some good habits. That means taking frequent showers and improving your hygiene. Something to note though, you will be clean, but you will smell of chlorine. Ironically, my girlfriend tells me that she loves that smell on my skin and that the chlorine smell is something that reminds her of me. If you're a woman and you're watching this, please let me know in the comments if that's something you could relate to. Look out for my new line of fragrances coming soon to you. Anyways, I promise that when you start learning to swim, things will improve for you and women in your life. You will become irresistible to women as long as you do those things that I mentioned before. Let me know in the comments what you think.